Imagine a tool that transforms raw wood into a work of art, a device so powerful and precise that it becomes an extension of your hands and your creativity. This tool exists, and it is called the TEENO electric vertical router, a marvel of technology designed for woodworking enthusiasts, professionals, and hobbyist craftsmen. With its 1200W of power and a set of 1213, it is ready to take on all your DIY challenges. If you are interested, feel free to click the link in the description now to learn more about its unique features, see the hundreds of reviews from satisfied customers, and order yours today. This router is ideal for craftsmen, passionate DIYers, and woodworking professionals who seek precision, power, and versatility for their creative projects. It is the perfect tool for those who want to transform wood into a work of art with ease and comfort. The Tinou brand is synonymous with quality and durability. Their vertical router is no exception, with an impressive rating of 4.2 stars out of 5 based on 880 reviews from satisfied customers. But what makes this tool so special and essential for any woodworking project? First, let's talk about comfort and control. The device is equipped with shock-absorbing soft grips, designed to reduce fatigue and allow for prolonged use without discomfort. This detail highlights Tinou's commitment to the well-being of its users, ensuring not only the quality of work, but also a pleasant experience during use. Power is another strong point of this router. With a 1200-watt motor capable of reaching up to 30,000 revolutions per minute, it provides the necessary power to work with wood with precision and efficiency. Whether you need to make fine adjustments or undertake more robust tasks, this tool has the capability to meet your needs without faltering, thanks to its thermal dissipation system that protects the machine and ensures its longevity. And guess what? You can own this product with just one click on the link in the description and see hundreds of reviews from very satisfied customers. The Tinou router also stands out for its dust extraction adapter, allowing for efficient removal of shavings. No more mess and interruptions to clean your workspace. With an outer diameter of 39mm and an inner diameter of 34mm, this adapter facilitates the assessment of residues, making your work cleaner and more enjoyable. But what truly makes this tool versatile is its wide range of applications. Whether you are a craftsman working on delicate pieces, a DIY enthusiast looking to create unique furniture, or even a professional in search of precision for beveling, grooving, or surface treatment, this router is your ally. It is ideal for edge planing, processing veneer patterns, and many other similar materials. The robustness of this tool is a guarantee of peace of mind. Designed with high-quality components, Tinou promises exceptional longevity for its router, ensuring that you can rely on this tool for many upcoming projects. In addition, it comes with a warranty, demonstrating the brand's commitment to customer satisfaction. In short, the TEENO electronic vertical router is not just a tool, it is a gateway to a world of creative possibilities. With its 12 included bits, it offers flexibility and precision that will make every project a work of art. For those looking to push the boundaries of their creativity and achieve exceptional woodworking projects, this tool is an invaluable investment. So, don't miss the opportunity to click on the link in the description to see the hundreds of customer reviews attesting to its impressive quality and to order yours at the best price and revolutionize your daily life. Now let's recap its advantages as well as its disadvantages. Advantage number 1, power and speed. With 1200 watts and a speed of up to 30,000 revolutions per minute, it provides the necessary strength for a wide variety of tasks. Advantage number 2, ease of use. The soft shock-absorbing handles reduce fatigue during prolonged use. Advantage number 3, precision. Allows for fine adjustments and great accuracy in woodworking. Ideal for detailed projects. Advantage number 4, versatility. With a set of 12 included bits, it adapts to various tasks such as grooving, beveling, and surface treatment. Advantage number 5, chip extraction system. It makes it easier to maintain a clean and organized workspace. Advantage number 6, durability. Designed with high-quality materials for incredible longevity. Now let's move on to a few disadvantages. Disadvantage number 1, complexity for beginners. Its power and numerous features can present a learning curve for novices. Disadvantage number 2, dependence on electrical cables. Requires a nearby power source which can limit mobility. In short, if you are ready to turn your passion for woodworking into reality, don't wait any longer. Click on the link in the description to order the Tinou electric vertical router at the best price, learn more about its features, and discover the hundreds of reviews from customers who have already made this tool an essential part of their workshop. Don't miss the opportunity to bring your ideas to life with precision, comfort, and efficiency. Thank you for your attention, and I hope to see you very soon.